So we're gonna do this 7.1 notes, everybody. So on income taxes. So our central question is, who pays taxes? It's February 1st. Okay, so income taxes, everybody, is where is based on the amount of taxable income. And we have, so it's based on the amount of taxable income. And it's also based on your filing status, everybody. So this is your filing status. So if you're single with no dependents, you choose single. Married filing jointly, you choose this one. Married filing separately, you choose this one. And then head of household. Okay. So head of household, everybody, is somebody head of household. Okay. So that's somebody who is unmarried. With dependents. That means other people that they're taking care of. So an example would be everybody, so like single parents, but it can also be like if you're taking care of elderly relatives, okay? So that would be an example of that. And then, so that would be head of household, okay? If we're looking at this, okay, so let's look at it. So what's your income range? Okay, so if you're married and you're filing jointly and you paid in taxes, so you paid $6,851, okay? And we want to know what your income is going to be. So married, filing jointly, everybody, so that means this column, okay? You're going to look down here, so that means that you paid, okay, so you paid between, okay, so you paid between, so your income is between 51,000. Notice right here, everybody, it says at least, okay? So that means that at least it means more than. So at least, everybody, means more than or equal to, okay? But less than, and put X for your income, but less than $51,050. Okay. So we can see the table. So less than $51,050. Okay, everybody. So that's what we're going to see with that. Okay, everybody. So you want to be really careful. And everybody, this is actually how the charts look if you go to irs.gov. Okay. The charts actually look like this. So the interval notation, when they say the charts look like this, so but the amounts change. Okay. So interval notation, notations. Okay, so we have it's going to be 51,000 to $51,049.49. Okay, does everybody, when you do your taxes, it rounds it up to the nearest whole dollar. Okay, so that would be for the interval notation for this. Okay, so if you're single, let's do another example, everybody. So let's say that you're single. And your tax is $900, $300. Okay, and so you're going to look over here on the chart, everybody. So you look, single is the first column. I'll say single is the first column. So it's going to be between 9,000. Okay, right over here. So between 51,800. So more than or equal to 51,800, but less than 51,850. Okay. Okay, so let's do some examples, everybody, with this. So let's look here. So we want to know how much does, we're going to do a couple examples, blank that person owe in taxes. Okay, so let's say, everybody, we have Sophia. Okay, so see, Sophia's single. Her taxable income is $51,482. Okay, she paid. Okay, so she paid. So she paid $9,568 in taxes. Okay, last year. So we want to know how much should she pay. So we look back up at the chart, everybody. Okay, so you see it's going to be right here. Okay, she's single. So $9,231.13 is her tax liability. Okay, so that's her tax liability. Okay, so that's how much she's responsible, everybody. So when I say tax liability, that's how much she's responsible for. Okay, so we want to know if she's going to owe or get a refund. Okay, so how we're going to figure that, everybody, is we're going to take the amount that she paid minus her tax liability. Okay, and we get positive $355. Okay, so that means that she's going to get a refund. So she overpaid $355, everybody, in taxes. Okay, so let's do another example. Let's do an example for Edgar. So Edgar is married. His taxable income is $51,950. Okay. He's filing a joint return. Okay, he's filing a joint return. He paid $9,904, okay, in taxes. Sorry, everybody, that's where I'm at. The wrong place. He actually paid $6,250. Okay, so we're gonna look back up here. Okay, everybody, so back up at the table. Okay, so for $51,000, he's filing a joint return, so it's going to be married. Okay, so married, filing jointly. Okay, at least, so more than or equal to 51,950. Married, filing jointly, so $6,994. Everybody has married, filing jointly. He made at least, so more than or equal to 51,950. Okay, so the amount that he's liable for. Okay, so everybody, so let's subtract. So 6,250 minus what he's liable for. 6,994. Okay, right, so we subtract it and we get a minus $744. Okay, so everybody, that means that he owes taxes. Okay, so his tax liability. Okay, from the chart. Okay, so basically with this, everybody, so what you want to think about is it's going to be the taxes paid during the year. So the formula we use is for this taxes paid during the year minus the taxes owed. So that tax liability is going to equal, okay, if it's positive, everybody, it's going to be a refund. If it's negative, that means that they owe taxes. Okay. And what you want, everybody, is for it to be zero. So you neither overpaid nor need taxes. Okay, so let's do the second part, the notes for this. So we have where we're doing the charts, and everybody, yes, these are again, the percents and everything are going to be slightly different, the numbers, but these are actual charts that you would see. Okay, so let's say, everybody, that you made $101,100. Okay, so it tells you up here, everybody, with this chart, just look at this chart, everybody. It tells you to multiplication amount. So you're multiplying the percent as a decimal. So right here it tells you multiply A by C. Okay, and then it says subtract. Subtract D from C, and this is your tax liability. Okay, so this amount, everybody, is your tax liability. Everybody, this is some notes continued. gonna use that. So we're gonna multiply, okay, percent as a decimal, okay, and I got 25,000. Zoom this in so I can see this. So $25,025, okay. Then I'm gonna subtract that $7,312.50. So I got 17,712.15. Okay, let's say everybody made $152,000. Okay. So everybody, you want to look here. So over $131 and 450, but not over 200,300. Okay, everybody. So that's what we're looking at, those amounts. Then multiply by 28% as a decimal. Okay. So when you do that, and I got $42,560, and I'm going to subtract 11,256 to get 31,304. Okay. So same thing, everybody. So if it's over, so say we made 3,890, $620. Okay, multiply by 35% as a decimal. I get 136,367. Okay, subtract that from 28,425. But the reason we subtract that, that's the tax amount from this, the one above it. Okay, so we subtract that, so we get 7,942. Okay, now we do the next one. Okay, so this one's a different color. So over 203,000, but not over 357,700. So you do need to look so you figure out which one it's going to go in. So this was $235,512 times 33% as a decimal. So we get 77,718.96. Subtract that, everybody, from 21,271, and we get $56,447.96. Okay. So everybody, with this, you have to look at the chart, figure out which row it's going to go in. Okay, so look at the chart, and then you just plug it in, plug and chug. You got this. Okay. So this, everybody, is finding another one is the schedules. So when we're looking at this again, everybody, so if your income is over, you made more than $0, but not over $16,050, your tax is going to be 10%. Okay, so it's going to be y is equal to 10% is a decimal. Remember, drop the percent sign and go to left. Okay, so 0.10. Your taxable income, everybody, is X. Okay, so that's the equation for that one. Okay, so then you look at the next one. You go, okay, so between this one, so if your taxable income is between $16,050 and $65,100, okay, then we're going to use this one. So this amount. Okay, so let me show you. So 16,000 is $1,605. Okay, so that's where that amount is. So this is the amount from that one. Okay, so from the previous row, that's the tax liability for it. Okay, times 15% is a decimal. So 0.5, drop the percent sign. And then it's going to be your tax minus $16,050 because you already paid the tax for that for the $16,050. That's the $1,605. Okay, that's the amount of tax from that one. We've already paid it. Okay, now we go to 65,100 to 131,450. So if your income's between those intervals, then you're going to use this one. So the $8,962.50, 25% is a decimal, drop the percent sign. Your income minus that amount, so 65,100. Okay. Same for the next one, everybody. We'll just keep going and doing the same thing. So 25,550 times 28% of the decimal plus 28% of the decimal. Parentheses, your income minus 131,450. Okay. We just keep doing the same thing, everybody. We go to the next one. 44,828 plus 31%. Okay, so your income minus 203,000, same as the next one, everybody. So 96,770 plus 35% is the decimal. Your income minus 130,700. Okay, everybody, so that's what we're working on. Okay, so everybody, so what you're doing with this, you find the interval for X. So you look at the chart, everybody. Plug in. Plug in for X. Plug in X. And solve. Okay, and then you solve for the tax amount. Okay, let's say everybody, so let's do some examples using this chart. Just so I can have the chart in there. Okay, so let's say everybody that you're single. Okay. Okay, your income was $9,872. Okay, so everybody, that means you're right here. So do you all see that you're on this one? Okay, so for that income, sorry, wrong one. We're actually up here at this one. Okay, they're between 0 and 16,000, so we're going to use that one, everybody. So we're going to plug it in. So we're going to go y is equal to, okay, 10% of the decimal times $9,872. So your tax liability would be $987.20. Okay, what if we're doing where you're married and filing jointly? Okay. I should use different table for this, but that's okay. And your combined income, so for you and your spouse, so when you are married filing jointly, that means everybody that you're combining your incomes. Okay, so your combined income is 153,900. Okay, so you're going to look up here at the table Okay, so everybody, that means you're going to be right here with this one. So you're going to use this equation because you're between 131,000 and 200,000. Okay, so that means we're using that one. So we're going to have y is equal to 25,550. Going to substitute in that income. Everybody, this is our x. So 153,900. Let me hope I actually wrote the whole thing. Okay. Okay, so plus 28% is the decimal. Okay, and then we're going to substitute in that 153,900. Ready, this is our x value, this right here. Minus 131,450. So we plug that into the calculator. And I got 31,836. So that would be your and your spouse's tax liability. Okay, so let's do a couple more examples, everybody. So your turn. So let's say you made 29,000. Okay. So that means we're going to use this one right here. Okay. So we're going to use this one. I'm going to have y is equal to 1,605 plus 15% is a decimal. Remember, this is our x value. Okay, so everybody, this is x. 29,000 minus $16,050. So plug that in the calculator. Check your answer. So you should have gotten 3,547 and $50. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say that your income was 89,000. Okay, so you're going to look on the chart. Okay, so that means this one. Okay, so that means we're going to use this one right here. So I'll see because 89,000 is right here. A different color so you can actually see it. 89,000. This last one, 29,000 falls in here. Okay, so we're going to put that one. So y is equal to $8,962.50 plus 25% as a decimal. It's going to be the income minus the 65,100. You put that in, everybody, and you should get $14,937.50. Okay, everybody. So that's what you should get for this, and you've got it.